Tiana's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how I make my aloe vera rose water tonic for the skin. And aloe vera and rose water. These are perfect ingredients for the skin, and it won't cause any irritations. Definitely good for sensitive skin. The aloe vera will help with acne, dry skin, and many other issues. It has antioxidants, of course, in it, and different vitamins like vitamin A and C, which has healing properties. The rose water will help improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. And it has antibacterial properties in it as well, which will reduce acne. Also helps with inflammation, and it helps with the redness in the skin. And it can treat mild cases of acne, eczema, psoriasis, and helps with dry and flaky skin. So it's safe for all skin types, and also helps soothe sunburn. So the rose water acts as a natural toner and can be used daily. So guys, what you're gonna need is some aloe vera juice. You're gonna need the rose petals, which I got from my tree outside, and also some glycerin, which is a good moisturizer. So we'll be using these ingredients to start. Guys, to begin, you're gonna take your aloe vera juice and we're gonna pour that in the pot. I would say I would use like at least 2 cups of it, just to make sure the petals, go in there and just infuse together. And then we'll just cut our eye on. We're gonna cook it low, and we're gonna let it cook for, I would say, no more than 20 minutes. And that's gonna create our rose water. But we're gonna be using aloe vera juice instead of distilled water. You're also gonna want to add glycerin. So I'm gonna add the glycerin toward the end. So, okay guys, so the aloe vera rose water has boiled for about 20 minutes, and we're gonna add our glycerin. So I recommend you do like half a teaspoon to maybe a teaspoon. It's up to you. I'm just gonna pour it as I go. And I would say that's about enough. Now what the glycerin is great for is it acts as a humectant, allowing the skin to retain moisture. It increases hydration. That's definitely what it does. It helps fight dry skin. So I'm just stirring it all together. So it basically has emollients in it, and that is going to help smooth out the skin. Alright, so once it cooled down, guys, I'm going to pour it in a container and store it in a refrigerator. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to be using this as our toner. So of course, when you're washing your face, you have to use a cleanser, you want to use a toner, and you also want to use a moisturizer. Okay guys, so we're just going to pour our aloe vera rose water into this small little container. You can use whatever size you want. This is all I have, so just gonna pour that in there and fill it up, and that's it. Okay guys, so this will complete my video on how to make aloe vera rose water tonic for the skin. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Tiana's Hair Creations. Thanks for tuning in to Tiana's Creation. Have a blessed day.